Hey signers, I just want to let you know that our Black Friday sale is live now. Everything on our website, including our accelerated membership, is 30% off. Go and check it out. Now to the video. Hey signers, did you know that when your kids learn with gestures, it can boost their memory and retention? Makes sense, right? You're connecting your brain in multiple ways at once. That's where ASL can make a huge difference. It's a real language and you can use it to enhance learning in everyday life. Knowing there's a growing need for families who want to learn together, we created a 2-year homeschool program designed for learning ASL as a family. Whether you're a homeschool family or just looking for fun after-school enrichment, we'd love for you to check it out. Each week, students learn new signs, grammar and culture concepts, finger spelling and numbers, plus fun, hands-on activities tailored for early elementary through middle school. Every unit includes review and testing opportunities to help track progress. The program starts from the very beginning with ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, your first signs, and basic grammar, and builds over 2 years. By the end, you'll know hundreds of signs and have the tools to carry full conversations in ASL. This video is all about ASL and what exactly that is. It's a peek into one of the many lessons already available in our curriculum. Now, let's learn how to sign. Hey signers, today we're going to learn how to sign ages in ASL. That's right, how to say how old you are using your hands and your face. You'll use this all the time to talk about how old you are, or how old your friends and family are, or maybe even how old a baby is in months. So let's break it down. The age spot. When signing ages in ASL, we start with something called the age spot. It's this area right here on your chin. So if you want to say somebody is 5 years old, here's how you do it. You have the number 5 coming out from your chin like this. It's the number 5 coming down 5 years old. Notice this number 5 is coming off of my chin like this. I'm not doing age 5. This is because of the rule of 9. When you have numbers 1 through 9 that can be incorporated in a sign, it doesn't use the sign itself. It just uses the number. 1 years old, 2 years old, 3 years old, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 1 through 9 is how you show 1 through 9 years old. Now, what if you're 10 or older? Well, this is where you do the sign age or an index finger and then the number. Age 10 or age 10. This goes on even further with all of the numbers 10 and above. Age 11, age 12, age 13, so on and so forth. So how would you do 16 years old? Age 16 or index 16. What about 22? Age 22 or that index finger 22. Now 38. Age 38 or index 38. Now this last one, 56. Age 56, index finger 56. Let's practice a few. What if we have the phrase, my brother is 7? How would you sign 7 years old? Did you do 7 years old? Good job. Notice we did just the number 7 from our chin. We did not do age or the index because we followed the rule of 1 through 9. What about I'm 12? How would you sign 12? Age 12 or 12? Awesome job. Now, what about She's 25. How would you do the age 25? Age 25, index 25. Do you have it? Awesome. Ages for babies, months old. Now what if someone is under 1 year old? How do we show months? ASL uses the sign month along with the number to say how old the baby is. Remember the rule of 9 that we did for ages from the age spot? This is the same idea for months. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months. Now for the numbers 10, 11, and 12 months, what do you think we do? Did you guess 10 months? 11 months? 12 months? If you did, you're right, because it's not incorporated in the sign because it's not a part of the rule of 9. So let's go over everything we learned. We use the chin area right here for the age spot to show years old. Sign the number from the chin and remember the rule of 9. 1 through 9 incorporated in the sign. You don't need to sign age when using the rule of 9. But in 10 and above, you use age and the index. For babies who are months old, we incorporate the number with month. Practice with your family and friends. Ages come up in conversations all the time, so keep practicing your number signs. And remember, clarity is always more important than speed. Are you ready to keep learning with your kids? You can check out our entire first week of our homeschool curriculum for free. Just click the link in the description. You'll get vocabulary videos, digital flashcards, grammar and fingerspelling lessons, printable activities, and more. Here are just a few highlights of the full 2-year program. 60 plus weeks of instruction, over 900 core signs, plus hundreds more in our extended lessons, 48 culture, grammar, and history lessons, 48 fingerspelling, number, and lessons with matching activities, over 150 activities including printables and hands-on tasks, 12 assessments with study guides and review materials, and over a dozen bonus lessons to expand your learning even further. We're excited to help your family learn ASL together. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.